So, the Trump administration will be revoking legal status for more than 530 immigrants brought to the United States during the Biden administration. So, the Trump administration has announced plans to revoke legal protections for over 532,000 migrants from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela who entered the United States under a Biden-era humanitarian parole program. This program was initiated in October 2022 and permitted migrants from these nations to reside and work in the U.S. for 2 years, provided they had American sponsors. The Department of Homeland Security has scheduled the termination of these protections, including work permits and deportation safeguards, for April 24. Department of Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem stated that the original purposes of the parole, addressing urgent humanitarian reasons and serving significant public benefit, have been fulfilled, and thus the continued presence of these individuals is no longer warranted. The DHS notice emphasizes that migrants without a lawful basis to remain in the U.S. must depart before their parole termination date, and failure to do so will result in prompt removal by immigration authorities. The Biden administration had implemented the parole program to manage surges at the border, allowing migrants to stay and work for 2 years with a sponsor. However, the program encountered significant fraud, leading to a pause and later barring extensions of temporary legal status. Critics argued that revoking these protections could lead to chaos and disrupt families and communities across the country. In response, a group of beneficiaries and immigrant rights organizations has filed a lawsuit against the Trump administration, challenging the legality of dismantling the program. This move is part of a broader effort by the Trump administration to overhaul immigration policies established under the President Biden. Other initiatives include the introduction of a self-deport feature in the CBP Home app, encouraging illegal immigrants to leave the U.S. voluntarily. President Trump emphasized that voluntary self-deportation could allow individuals to re-enter the U.S. legally in the future, whereas forced deportation would result in a permanent ban. As the April 24th deadline approaches, affected migrants and advocacy groups are seeking legal avenues to challenge the administration decision and protect the rights of those impacted. So there you have it, guys. There you have it. Trump will be revoking the legal status of over 530 migrants who were brought in from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela under the Biden-era humanitarian program. Please leave your comments and your thoughts on the end of this program, because as it states, if the program was scheduled, it was initiated in 2022 and it should have been for 2 years, then by all intents and purposes, the 2 years is up and the program would be, up for termination. So let me know your thoughts. Please like, share, subscribe to this video for more updates. Catch you on the next video.